Man himself is cooking.
That's it. You should tell them about what we're going to cook. We're going to cook fish stew.
You can tell them what you're cooking.
We're cooking a little bit of fish stew and some Irish and ugali. For those who know ugali, kama unajua ugali, napika samaki na ugali leo. Hapo vipi? Chef Chameleone. I usually tell people that I'm a cook and they don't know. Ask those friends who come to my home. They eat my food. They should ask those friends who come to my home. They eat my food. All right, help me. Thank you.
Let me hold this for you.
They eat my food. And they know. You have a good cook.
Kanda oba binalika. Double trouble. Abdul Sempijom delivered a says, say hi to the legend.
Those are my friends. I miss you guys.
Here, he's sending the love back to you, Abdul.
Yeah, thank you so much, man, for the prayers. God is good. All the time. All the time.
He's busy cooking. When you're going to be research Chameleone, what are we going to eat with your fish? Wizomanizo is in the house. Wizomanizo is in the house. Alexander Sengendo says greetings from Minnesota, and he says we love you, Jose. Newizo yogera bubi wakyolooza agenda kusiriza basiba kwa crash nga bali embuzi yo omala okulya nga basibula akasajja gano agalina omululu.
My immigrant to America, there's no food, there's no African food. There is, there's tilapia. There's tilapia, there's Irish. I'm not sure. Only that people know where to buy it, but when they know.
Kachogera kutulako wansi. Naye tebisirira omuliro inako mubi.
This one,
your onions are burning.
No, they cannot burn.
They cannot burn. You want them like that?
Some onions have to turn brown. Some you keep them fresh, others turn brown.
Kansubire mmere egenda kuliika tugenda agenda mu restaurant.
No, you can't.
Wizo wadduse omusajja agambye genda musalirako obutungulu kyokka wizo mujjangu oyoza ebintu
Yiino agenda kujjayoza ebintu.
Lwaki oli chief tester? Ate gwe caretaker gw'olina okufumba. Nkulaba ssebo. Naye omulwadde wandimuwadde ku orange juice n'anywako kuba wedde ayimiridde. Chameleone, mulabayo mbu nasooka kutestinga kawoza agenda kuwa obutwa. Iyi naye gusajja gwe. Naki?
Vitamin Z and vitamin W.
The only problem is the people out there cannot test. They don't people call it smell, but it is wrong. It's not called a smell, it's called a test.
You tested?
So it smells so good, like you should have said that. So it tastes so good.
Bagambye oyo Wizo tamanyi kufumba, just alinda kulya.
Nze asinga okufumba mu famire yaffe nenkufumbira caayi omukalu nenkufumbira amagi amafumbe
Caayi omukalu gweteekamu obuteesa amajaani ojjamu n'ebigundi tea bags n'okuba mu caayi n'ogamba nti ofumbye n'akabiri kakaako n'ogamba nti ofumbye ate oba ofumbye ki amakamiri katulabe by'ofumbye agala controlling muliro nkuyambeko mungi ngukendeze kale kangukendereza. How low do you want it? Very low?
Medium.
How low can you go?
Oh yeah, mama's better because
No, just balance it up. Ujja kwekora butofaayo bwerinda kulya.
Nende kulya.
Bagala okulya ng'enjala etuluma.
Ofumbisiza zaki olive oil, extra virgin oil katulabe.
Yeah. Low cholesterol.
Organic. Extra virgin oil.
Healthy oil. Sibiri ebirimu.
Cholesterol.
Double trouble this.
Soko onywe ku juice. Here. Bonde. Rizzo, can you help me put that in the sink, please? Are you done with this?
Yes, I am, Mama. They don't know. Body foundation.
No, check out the sink. Tagaramaz. Chameleone, I'm gonna have a glass of champagne while you cook. Wizo, jangu ku camera for I pour myself a glass of champagne.
You deserve it, Julie.
Allow me to have a glass of champagne.
Yeah, pop it, mama. Mateka. Awo.
Walongugobera.
Awo tuddukire emisinde.
Abatamanyi kulunga munnyo, so you get out of
here. Walaiwa.
Kiteevuunya.
Kiteevuunya. Allahumma salli. Bamaswali. Bagamba bamaswali. Acha.
Okay, time for my fish.
Acha. Pop it.
Yeah, it's popping.
A champagne.
It's always popping here.
I'm going to show them my fish.
Atete kirwawo. Soon eat, soon yam. Bagamba soon yam.
That's Chef Chameleone for you.
Chameleone, that Irish is small. It's for Wizo alone. Plandi caretaker.
Kuliko ne ugali.
Yeah, ugali. Tugenda kupika ne ugali.
Supu ya omena kama Kisumu wanasema hii ni supu ya omena.
Supu ya omena? No. Katengenezo muna Uganda supu ya omena. Sijja byogera njagala nnyo ebyononese. Amba bategedde supu ya omena. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. Yeah. We walk in the middle. No.
That's the fish. That's the fish, my dear friends. Now, I haven't yet started on that side, but I'm coming through. That's supposed to be Irish. So it's the fish this way. So, let's see how it goes. Oh, man, we only good name, man. That's not really good. Okay, my friends, I'll show you what it is when we're done. Thank you so much for being here. I love you.